This is an animated tutorial for the Thor Power E.S.S battery pack installation. This animation contains important information of the solar battery installation, operation and maintenance instruction for lithium NMC battery manufactured by Thor Power Technologies. Thor NMC protects product under warranty when this product is installed and used as detailed in this animation. Violating the installation procedure or using this product in any way not described in this video immediately voids all warranties on this product. Please read through the instruction in details before installing and also go through this video for further reference. Here are the content we will discuss in this entire tutorial. Battery cell, pack voltages and current. Battery installation requirement. Battery installation. Equipment, inspections, cable sizes, series and parallel connection. Installation environment. Battery operations. Battery storage. Product overview. Battery terminal connector. Breakers on and off switch. LCD display. Battery percentage and voltage. Menu button. Instruction and operating manual. Cells are assembled inside a metallic bracket. An intelligent battery management system, also known as BMS, built in to protect the battery from abusive operation. The battery pack's built-in BMS monitors its operating outside design limitations. Here is a demonstration on how to install the battery pack. First, make sure inverter is off. And make sure wall battery breakers are off. Make sure battery breakers are off. Turn on power switch on all batteries. And also check if display turns on. Turn on battery breaker on all batteries. The reason is you have to pre-charge the inverter safely. The current flows through the cable into the PTC to not cause any spark. Then it goes to inverter. Check if there's more than 40 volt on the battery terminal of the inverter using a multimeter. If no voltage appears, then check if the inverter is damaged. Turn on battery breaker on the wall after that. Start the inverter. Solar panels are installed to collect the sun energy. Make sure the PV breaker is turned on, so the battery may charge. Turn on AC breaker. Switch changeover to 1. And now you don't need to worry about power cut. This is the battery assembly process. These cells are also made for the electric vehicles, like the Audi e-tron and the Porsche Taycan.